Hello guys, welcome in today's episode of the apartment renovation. Further works have been done to the plumbing in the bathroom. All the pipes have been removed, and now with the concrete has been broken here where the, let's say, new pipes will be placed. Hopefully there will be no issues with the new toilet. Everything here will be remodeled. You see, they need to make the new way from there. So since it's not a normal, a classic toilet, a classic throne, there will be some issues here, but I really hope the workers will be able to do it. Here the pipes for the radiator in the bathroom, so I moved it from here to not interfere with the new sink right here, so it's really nice next to the shower. When I will get out and finish washing myself, I'll be able to get the towel right off the radiator here. And since this is an exterior wall, it's much better to have it like this. Also here where the sink will be, hopefully again we will not have problems with the old way and with the new slot where the water will be drained. My old sewage was broken at least in two places, so all the water from here was going somewhere here. It was an old lead pipe. Here where the sink will be, it will have in the end 65 centimeters in width and 40 centimeters in depth, so hopefully it will be all good. But the nice thing is that it will be from pure wood, from natural wood, so it will not be massive wood. It will not be from I don't know, PAL or MDF or anything like that. It will be massive wood, and hopefully it will look all well. I'm still scared regarding to how the sink will come on top of the entire furniture here in the bathroom, because it will really look like a furniture with two closets down and another one on the upper part. You'll see it when I will bring it here. The walls will need to be straightened up as best as possible, because the mosaic arrived today for the bathroom, and again I'm really scared of how it will look. If not, all the imperfections will show up. Because I'll show it to you. It's really thin, just 2 millimeters thick, and I don't want to put some drywall inside the bathroom. I really want to be concrete, solid. So the wall made from let's say this material, not drywall. Further on here, new copper pipes right here that will not pass through the door like they used to. And here again, the new copper pipes, they look really neat, and they have a really clean look. Here also, so the pipes have been simplified, really nice, not the maze and the bad work that was done before. And here I see they replaced this valve with one from Ferro. I asked them to do this. Just let me take a closer look, like this. And also here we have a new Y filter from Ferro as well. So this one, it's brand new, and it will catch any debris that would flow inside the heating system. The old one, I had it from 2006, and simply I want it to be replaced. So Ferro, both are from Ferro. Okay, let's hang this somewhere because it's all wet. And another major thing, the new water pipe has been drawn through here, so this one will be cancelled, I guess. They cut it out, so it won't come through here, just there, how it was supposed to be like that from the beginning. You can imagine it's a lot shorter from there to there. But yeah, this was it. I will take you in my cellar also today to see exactly how the pipe was placed there. Here are some other copper pipes. They are 1 millimeter in thickness, and I think they are 18 millimeters in diameter. This is the mosaic. You can see when the light hits it, it really looks like seashells. It really has a nice look. So the lighting in your bathroom, if you will purchase something like this, will matter a lot. I'll have to see exactly what to purchase also as a lighting source. It should be very powerful because the more light will hit this mosaic, the more will be reflected, and the colors look really nice. but you can imagine this is the thickness, so this is the sheet, so it's really thin. They said 2 millimeters. I guess this is tops. I ordered 210 pieces of 30 by 30 centimeters in order to have about 19 square meters of this mosaic for the entire bathroom. It's really expensive. In my country the square meter for this goes for about let's say $185, something like that. It was really a lot for me also, but I decided to go for it. $180, something like this. And when it arrived, the masons here, the main one, wanted me to send it back initially because he said that it will be really hard to install it, or to some, let's say, dirt will gather up in these areas where it should be plastered. And I was really disappointed, but in the end I told him that this is what I want. I mean, on the walls, this is what I want in the bathroom, and hopefully with all his 30 years of experience he will do a really good job, because this is all what matters. I mean, here are the other sheets, so 5 boxes of this. You can imagine how they are really this, yeah, but trust me, when you put this sort of light straight on them, the effect is something else. I mean, there are so many colors. It looks really nice. So yeah, this is about it. Let's go into the cellar also and see what they did there. So here's where they placed the water pipe, the main pipe. It should have been like this from the beginning and not on that side. You can imagine. So this is the old one. I think they will leave it like this, and from this on they will make another connection and take it through there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye bye.